Welcome to the first ever AskCody On-Air. In these quick 15-minute sessions, I'll share the latest updates to the platform, show live demos, and explore real-world use cases to help you make the most of AskCody. Today, we'll be focusing on maps, visitor management, and insights, three areas where we've made significant enhancements to improve your experience. So let's dive right in. If you have any questions during the session, please feel free to write them in the question section at the top of the chat sidebar in this window, or directly on the chat section. And if any, we will take them at the end of the session. So first up, we've made AskCody Maps even better for mobile users. Now imagine you're moving between floors in a large office or arriving at work and need to quickly find and book a workspace. This new enhancement lets you tap on a resource, whether it's a desk, room, or workspace, and instantly see all the details and booking options in a clear, full-screen format optimized for mobile screens. Let me show you. Let's jump into mobile right here. All right, as you can see, I have already AskCody Maps bookmarked on my phone. Really great for quick access, so I'm just going to go ahead and tap on it. Let it refresh the content. And what I have right here is the office map of my organization. I am looking at the date for today, December 2 of 2024. So I'm going to zoom into this pool of desks right here. And as you can see, there's 3 occupied. I'm actually going to check on the 4th one right here, the blue one. So I'm going to tap on it. And as you can see, it brings up a full screen view with everything you need: availability, resource details, and booking options. This makes it so much easier to navigate large offices or book on the go. I'm actually going to go ahead and book this one. It's intuitive, quick, and very mobile friendly. A huge win for employees working in dynamic office environments. So I invite you all to try it out right now. As you can see, the booking is starting now. So let's stop sharing screen. And yes, let's continue. Next, let's talk about a time-saving update for visitor management. We've introduced a quick delete feature for expected visitors, allowing reception teams to remove a visitor directly from the current visitor list with just one click. Let's actually see it in action. If we jump right here into the AskCody Visitors portal, we will see the list of current visitors. In this case, for this organization, is people arriving both today and tomorrow, December 2 and December 3 of 2024. Some of them, let's just update the list. Some of them are already checked in, right? So let's say that in this case, Mia has canceled their visit for tomorrow at 10:45. I'll locate the visitor, Mia is there, and then simply click on the trash icon to delete them. Clicking here on the trash icon, and then I'll see a confirmation message. Are you sure you want to delete this visitor? This action cannot be undone. Yes, I will do that. And then, as you can see, the visitor gets deleted and the list gets updated. This small improvement makes managing visitor lists so much smoother. Yes. Finally, let's look into a new powerful feature for insights called weekday filtering. This enhancement is designed with hybrid work environments in mind. Many of you have teams working on site only a few days a week. Now you can filter reports to include or exclude specific days, making it easier to focus on the data that matters the most. Let's take a practical example and actually see it in action. So let's switch right here to insights. Yes. Imagine your team works in office Monday through Thursday. By filtering for those days only, which you can do right here from the weekday dropdown, let's actually just go ahead and go Monday through Thursday. You will see that the report actually updates live as I click, and it shows data for the selected days. By filtering with the days that you want to evaluate, you will get a much clearer picture of occupancy and resource usage without including irrelevant data from unutilized days. It would not make sense for me to include Friday's data because I already know that the office is closed on Fridays. So of course it makes sense for me to exclude that from the data analysis here. So The great thing about this is that this selection automatically carries over to all other available reports and insights. So if we switch from bookings to, let's say, visitors, we will see that the weekday selection displays the same as in bookings, and the same happens for services. So whether you're evaluating bookings, visitors, or services, the chosen days remain consistent, ensuring that your reporting stays aligned with the specific days that you care about, making it very easy for you to evaluate how your organization uses resources, and especially when you're working with a hybrid policies. Yes, I believe that's what we had for today. Let me check if there are some questions from the audience. It looks like we don't have any live questions today, and that is perfectly okay. For those watching the recording, feel free to send us your feedback or questions at any time, and you can reach out via the AskCody community. You can scan the QR code here to be taken to the group on LinkedIn, or you can actually just go into linkedin.com and find it there by typing AskCody community, or you can contact me directly at david.b.posada@askcody.com, and I'll be happy to hear your feedback. Thank you very much for joining, and have a great Monday.